Hi there, Bobby here from the team at Business Directory Plugin. This video will walk you through at a high level the configuration options that are available within the Business Directory plugin. This video will also help guide you on what to work on after installation. You can use it in addition to our Quick Start Guide to get things set up and working quickly. Let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll need to log into your plugin dashboard as we've shown in previous videos. After you log in, click on Directory on the left menu sidebar in your admin console. This is the main area for Business Directory plugin configuration and contains all of the settings in the plugin. Let's walk through the directory menu items on the left for the Business Directory and what they're used for. Directory listings. When you click this tab, the directory will show the current set of listings in the directory by page. Various filters are available at the top that allow you to see listings in various statuses. Add New Listing at the top has the same functionality that is on the Directory Admin menu, and it will allow you to add a brand new listing. You will see filters that show all listings, those pending upgrade, and those pending payment. The filters will change over time as you get more listings in the directory. The filters are convenience links for finding listings in the main directory. Add New Listing allows you to create new directory listings. We don't want to start here yet because there are a few things that we should do in configuration first. Directory categories is where you add, remove, or edit categories that display in your directory, and this is one of the first things you will want to configure in your setup. Directory tags allows you to administer all the tags that may be associated with your existing listings. You can create tags here as well. It's important to remember that both the directory categories and the directory tags sections of the plugin are separate from and may be different from your actual WordPress categories and tags. Settings is where you will do most of the configuration for the plugin. All of the Business Directory settings are found under here. We'll cover the settings screen in more detail in another tutorial. Fee plans is where you create the plans to allow users to pay for listings in your directory. By default, Business Directory plugin is set up to run in free mode, which means that your users won't have to pay for listings. Most directories don't run this way, so you'll need to add one or more fee plans and turn on a payment gateway in order to change that. We will also cover the details of that in another tutorial. Form fields is where you add, edit, or remove the fields that your users enter when placing a listing. This is the first place I recommend doing configuration for your directory, since most people know what they want to put in a listing right away. Payment history. This tab shows a list of all payments that were taken for your listings, even the free ones. Now you can trace the history of a listing from initial placement to payment processing to rejection or acceptance of the payment to renewal, all in one place. Import and export allows you to pull data in from an external source that is in a CSV or comma separated values format. If you want to use this feature, we strongly recommend reading the documentation as there are a few details you'll need to get right for it to work well. CSV export gives you the ability to push your entire directory data into a comma separated values file so that you can bulk edit the data or use it in other systems. This handy feature of our plugin allows you to export your entire directory data and then re-import it once you've made your changes, which makes managing large directories much easier. The Modules tab is where add-ons to Business Directory plugin live. When the Business Directory Premium plugin is installed, other modules can be installed and activated from this page. If you haven't yet upgraded to a premium plan, you can click any of the links on this page to explore your options. Themes. On this page, you can change your current theme, upload or delete themes, and manage your theme tags. The theme tags are simply a way of telling the plugin which fields contain what information, so that addresses are grouped together according to the theme settings, for example. We have another video that covers themes in more detail. SMTP. The SMTP page can be used to solve problems with sending emails. It helps you get the email plugin that we recommend installed quickly. We recommend installing the WP Mail SMTP plugin if you run into issues when sending emails from the plugin, or if you would just like more reliable emails than your web host provides. In summary, when you get started with Business Directory plugin, after naming your directory, the first 3 things that you're really going to want to do are adding categories, then configuring fields in your listings, and then lastly, configuring payments if you plan on accepting money for your listings. We'll cover more in future tutorials, so be sure to subscribe. I have added our contact information in the description below if you have questions. Thanks for watching.